I'm gonna do it, babe. Hi guys, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a first impression review video. This is going to be the very first impression review na gagawin ko dito. Ang dami kasi sa inyo na nagsasabi na you miss my reviews and all that. Pasensya naman kung it took me a long time to figure everything out. Alam nyo naman dito, iba na, diba? Kasi wala na yung DIY lighting ko. Though, ginawa ko yung DIY lighting ko, pero the setup and all that, it just doesn't work the way it used to nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, nung nasa room ko pa ako doon. So, it's just different. Pero salamat pa rin kasi you still watch my video kahit na walang reviews. But now, I will do a review and I will be reviewing this Essence Lip Liner. And no, this is not the same one that I used on my everyday makeup video. Yes, the same brand, the same thing, lip liner, pero ibang shade. This one is in the shade Satin Mauve. That one is in the shade Soft Berry. So, this one I haven't touched yet. As you guys can see, it's brand new. I got this for $2 sa Priceline. Mga 70 pesos lang kung i-convert mo. Pero this is available sa Philippines. Meron siya sa SM, Watsons, sa mga malls maybe. I'm not really sure. Pero available siya sa Philippines. And sa Pilipinas, this is 100 pesos. So still very affordable. I'm really into lip liners lately. So I hope this one works. As I mentioned, I have the Soft Berry. I really like that one. It's just that one is really not long lasting. So after ko kumain, nafe-fade na siya. That one is darker shade as well compared to this. So we'll see how this one will go. And it's pencil, so hindi siya retractable. You'd need to sharpen it if you wanna use it again. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this on my lips. Wala akong lip balm, but I do apply lip balm every night before ako matulog. My gosh, I miss saying that. Ang dami kong ginawang reviews na nasa Pilipinas pa ako, and every single time nag-review ako ng lipstick or lip product, I always say, I don't apply lip balm, but I do apply lip balm every night before I go to bed. Hahaha. Anyway, lalagay ko na siya sa lips ko. Oh, by the way, yes, I will be using this lip liner as a lipstick, and I think that's okay. Kasi when I did my everyday makeup video, mayroong nagsabi sa comment na, oh my gosh, she's using lip liner as a lipstick. If you don't want to use lip liner as a lipstick, you do you. I personally like using lip liners because they're matte and bongga din naman yung lip liner as a lipstick. So yes, I will be using this as a lipstick today. Ay, bongga yung consistency niya. Parang lang siyang lipstick, pero in pencil form. The way na nag-glide siya sa lips ko. Hindi siya, like, you know, mahirap i-apply at all. Let me go closer. And also, really pigmented, as you guys can see. Okay, so that's what the shade looks like. My gosh, parang nagmamatch sa aking jumper, ha. I really like the shade. Parang may pagka-pinkish, na mauve, na nude, na ganon. I really like it. Parang bongga for everyday. Yung gusto ko sa lip liner is meron ka talagang control kasi diba maliit lang siya, pencil type lang siya. So precise talaga yung pagka-apply mo. It feels really nice on the lips naman. It's completely matte. Yes, meron akong nafe-feel na merong something sa lips ko but not bothering at all. We'll see how this will go. Hindi pa ako kumakain. I mean, nag-breakfast na ako pero hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. It is now 10:37 ng umaga. I'll get back to you guys later and see kung anong magiging itsura nito after ko kumain ng lunch. It is now 3:47 ng hapon. I had lunch and then I had snack as well. Tapos uminom ako ng maraming tubig. And this is what my lips looks like right now. And please excuse Mr. Pimp right there. Gusto lang niyang mag-hi. It's actually not that bad at all. It's just that pagkatapos ko kumain ng lunch, nag-fade na yung inner corner. Pero yung pinaka-inner corner lang. Tapos nag-snack ako. And then, ayun, nag-fade na siya. Pero hindi naman obvious because of the shade. I'm pretty sure hindi siya dark. So, kapag nag-fade siya, hindi siya ganun ka-obvious. It's still matte and okay pa rin siya sa feeling. One downside na na-notice ko, meron siyang, parang na-emphasize niya yung line ng lips. So, as you guys can see, merong maraming mga crack-crack. Hindi siya drying sa lips at all though. Hindi din siya nagta-transfer. So, like, hindi siya nagta-transfer at all. I will go ahead and retouch and we'll see kung okay lang siya i-retouch. Oh, you know what? I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm going to retouch because I don't think I really need to, I'm not gonna retouch, you guys. I'm gonna wear this throughout the night and we'll see kung anong mangyayari after dinner. Kasi para sa akin, okay na okay pa rin naman siya. Though nag-fade na nga siya, pero hindi naman as in sobrang tsaka. Wala siyang harsh line sa inner corner. So, okay lang siya tingnan. So, yeah, that's my update. Siguro in 2 to 3 hours, we will have dinner. We'll see how it will look like then. It is now 9:25 ng gabi. So, I do not know ilang oras na. But the lipstick is, the lip liner is completely gone. As in, wala na talaga siya. And I noticed that my lips cracked as well. What's going on here? As in, nag-crack talaga siya. Tapos, dalawang malaking cracks. Like, isang malaki dito, tapos isang malaki dito. I ate a lot though. I ate pasta, a lot of bread. Tapos, pagdating ko dito, kumain pa ako ng salad. Tapos, hindi lang siya nawala. Nag-leave pa siya ng dalawang malaking cracks sa lips ko. Hindi naman siya masakit. It's just that nag-crack yung lips ko. Nakakaloka. Feeling-wise, hindi naman siya drying sa lips. Pero nung tinignan ko siya sa salamin, nakita ko na nag-crack yung lips ko. Parang sabi ko, wow, drying pala siya. Pero again, hindi ko siya na-feel na nag-dry yung lips ko. It's not the most long-lasting lip liner I have tried. Even the other shade, hindi siya long-lasting. Like as I mentioned earlier, after ko kumain, nawawala na yung asa. Tapos, mas prefer ko tong shade na to, longevity-wise. Kasi after ko kumain ng isang beses, nandun pa rin siya. Yes, nag-fade siya. Pero hindi ganun ka-obvious compared sa other shade. Kasi nga, yung other shade, it's darker. So, kapag nag-fade siya, obvious na nag-fade yung inner corner. Maybe it's just my lips na nag-crack siya today. Maybe. Hindi ko alam. It's just weird. I'm gonna keep using this and update you guys on my vlog. Kasi I'm pretty sure I'm gonna still use this. I really like the shade. I think it's just perfect for everyday and super affordable din niya. I'm also gonna use this with lipstick on it, not just lip liner. Again, I will update you guys on my vlog. For the price, I still really do like it. I'm actually looking forward to get more shades. Well, I just really like lip liners. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Please let me know if you have this. What shade do you have? What shade do you recommend? What do you think about the lighting though? I know I have like shadow going on because I have my glasses on, but it's really not that bad, right? But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like if you did. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget to get bye. It is now 3:40. It is pinaka inner corner la focus.